Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's AXS update, Axie Infinity for Tuesday 29th of March. And yeah, yesterday you actually got my attention with so many good responses out there with the AXX. Now what I'm going to say is that where I left you yesterday is that I told you about a nice good W here, double bottom right there, and you can even say it's a triple bottom actually, one, two, and a third bottom over there. This is just what I noticed right here. It's almost like a triple bottom. Yeah, it looks like a triple bottom to me. Let me actually turn on the line. And yes. One, two, and three. That's a triple bottom, by the way. So you came up to the neckline. You can see that you've already broken out of the neckline. And what's the technical target when you do break the neckline? Okay, so you take the top to the bottom over here, and this is where you're breaking out. You're looking to go to the 106. No question asked. And if this is going to be a nice, lovely trade of 56% pump to the upside, just as I said yesterday. So unless we're not, abandoning the neckline, if you start to fall inside the neckline and you lose this level to the 53, then this is not in play anymore. Keep that in mind. If you start to come down to the $53 or the $55, then it potentially could be a reversal of the EMAs to continue to the downside, and this will just be a fake out to go down, right? But right now, what you're doing is you're about to even put a bullish cross right over here on AXS. Now, Bitcoin has already made that bullish cross, and when you see a bullish cross like this one, that just means that the coins here are about to get absolutely crazy to the moon. Okay, so that's it for AXS. If you want to learn trading and TA, you can check my Pirate Trader crypto technical analysis course, where I talk about in details about every single thing that you need to understand. Now it's 49 bucks, but if you want to pay for 29 bucks, you can join the Discord. The link is in the description of this video, and message me on Discord, and I'm going to guide you on how to get it for 29 bucks. It hardly takes 2 minutes. Do check the contents if it's interesting and you want to learn. Do so. And that's it for the update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.